Hello everyone. So सुबह के बज रहे हैं 11 and as I was teaching my students about a certain figure of speech, I realized it's very interesting and I've been always liking it. So I just thought to share with you, that is euphemism. Euphemism है क्या? ये एक figure of speech है, like we have a lot of figures of speech in English. All the English teachers must be knowing about it. जैसे simile, metaphor, okay? And then you have oxymoron and all that stuff. So euphemism एक figure of speech है जिसमें कि हम ऐसे words और phrases use करते हैं किसी को बताने के लिए कुछ चीज़ें जो बहुत unpleasant होती है सुनने में. It could be like giving some information which is a bad news, or talking about something like somebody's performance कि आपका performance अच्छा नहीं है and this and that. So how can you be positive and kind towards people? So let's understand through examples. The first one, like if you have to say, tell a student or an employee that आप बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हो या आपका वर्क बहुत ख़राब है. So instead of saying this in a manner which can be very much demotivating for a student or an employee, you can say, see, I have great hopes from you. I have great hopes from you and I know you can do much better. या अगर आप साथ में काम कर सकते हैं, so you can say, I know we can together make this work. Okay? अगर आप कहना चाहते हैं कि this student or a particular person is not good at math, he's bad at math. Instead of saying this, you can say he's not good at math, which is a regular way of saying, or you can say he can do much better or he's learning, okay? Instead of saying they are fighting with each other, या they are arguing with each other, what can you say कि अगर दो लोग बहस कर रहे हैं बहुत ज़ोर से तो आप उस चीज़ को क्या कह सकते हैं? So you can use euphemism, not exaggerating the things like people do nowadays. Instead of that, you can say they are having a little bit of argument. They are having a little bit of argument. अगर आप ये भी कहना चाहते हैं कि he is fired, instead of that you can say the company is letting him go. See, meaning वही रहेगा, but the thing is you are going to sound more positive and less harsh to people. अगर आप कहना चाहते हैं कि this thing is very difficult and you will not be able to do it, please never say this to anybody. Instead of that you can say this can be challenging but let's try. ये challenging है बट लेट अस ट्राई, हम ट्राई करके देखते हैं. अगर आप कहना चाहते हो कि इस काम के लिए आपकी एज बहुत है या इस डेजिग्नेशन के लिए आपकी एज बहुत है, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग यूर ओल्ड, ओके, यू कैन से यूर अ बिट ओवर द हिल. यू आर बिट ओवर द हिल. द नेक्स्ट फ्रेज इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर एक सिचुएशन है जिसमें आपका स्टूडेंट या आपका बच्चा आपसे झूठ बोल रहा है एंड यू नो द ट्रूथ, so instead of just going and saying straight on the face that you're a liar, instead of that you should say, I know you are creative with the truth, but can you tell me what exactly happened?